See if I can make it balance. Oh. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea Time with Alee, your go-to channel for all things wild and crazy and also things totally normal. Today I'm going to spill the tea on the safety razor. I will kind of go through what I think that I love about it and things that I think are a little bit difficult about it, if there are any. Who knows? Wait till the end and I will tell you what I think. For those of you who don't know, this is a safety razor. I like it a lot. Oh, I told you ahead of time. They twist at the bottom. It lifts up. I know. How cool is that? I'll show you again. Look. It looks so cool. Opens up to the razor, pulls the razor out. When I first bought this razor, it came with 5 smaller razors wrapped up in paper and then put in a little box. I have 3 of left. Mostly due to the fact that the first one I took through TSA and it got taken from me. I forgot about it. I thought he was gonna actually like throw away this whole thing, but he knew, like the guy just grabbed it and he was like, all right, I'll just take this. You're good to go. And he like walked off with it. So I lost my first one to TSA. But the second one I've had for 6 months to a year. It's just now starting to go dull. I really am surprised that it lasts this long. The plastic razors, I just feel like they get dull so quickly. I feel like you can only use them for maybe like a month and you just throw that other one away. And then you have to go buy more and buy more and buy more. But if you're throwing away your razor, you're also throwing away the money that you spent on it. That's a lot of money. For the 2 to 3 years that I've had this razor, I just spent $20 on it. I haven't spent anything more on this. Can you think of how many razors that you would have gone through in the past 2 to 3 years and paid for? Bet you it's more than $20. I looked on Amazon to see like how much replacement razors would be. It was like not very much. I'll put the links down below so you guys can see everything on it. Stepping into use. These work the same essentially as regular razors. You put it on your skin, you glide it, and it shaves the hair off. One thing to be careful of, here, I'll take the razor out and show you. With plastic razors, you have to kind of like put it on and push into your skin to get a good shave. But because this is weighted, when you shave, it kind of already is just like right there. You basically just need to just kind of pull along. You can kind of see how it's naturally weighting down my skin. It's gonna get that really close shave by you just barely pressing it on there. Now, you don't need to like put it like this and hope for the best. It's a closer shave, which means the longer the shave lasts. What I like about this is that like this sits in my shower. This rinses out so quickly because of all these like holes that are in here. I will leave it open so that way it can air dry. And this is like not rusty at all. And it's got a good feel to it. It actually feels really, really cool. Moving into the things that I don't like. I will say it's much easier to get razor burn. Like anything new, it is a little bit of a learning curve. There were times that I thought maybe there might be some rust on here, but I just realized that it was just like some kind of a buildup that I didn't actually like rinse off. So I'm a little bit more intentional just to make sure I rinse it well instead of just a quick lazy rinse. Whenever I would shave my like right above my ankle with this plastic razors, for whatever reason, I would always slice that. I think there's like a permanent scar there. Oh yeah, definitely permanent scar above my ankle from shaving with a plastic razor. I have never nicked it with this. It's just something to think about. It may be because I'm being more careful with this because I know that it's sharper. I think this is a great way to save money, and if you're interested to reduce waste as well. I think it's a better shaving experience than using the plastic razors. I really actually love this product a whole lot. But that's everything that I have for you guys. I will have the links down below specifically for the safety razor and then also any supplemental razor so you can see how much it costs. If you're interested in this kind of content, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends. I can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you all for watching. Have a good one. Bye. I love this razor.